Good morning. We are in the sixth week in English. Our lesson is all about responses to questions on informational text from pages 30 to 32. So this week, you need to do a lot of reading. Let's begin. What is informational text? It is a non-fiction text written with the intention of informing the reader about a specific topic. It presents factual details or information. It is typically found in magazines, science or history books, autobiographies, and other instructional materials. So it means to say when we say informational text, it's something that is true, something that based on facts. In this lesson, you are expected to ask and respond to questions about informational text. Listen to environment, health, how-tos, etc. So that's why you need to do a lot of reading for you to answer the questions on informational text. Let's read the selection below. The title is All About Snakes. Snakes are scary, yet interesting animals. They are reptiles and are cold-blooded. They are limbless and has elongated body and tail. They can smell with their tongues. They do not have feet. They do not have ears, but they can hear through their jaw. They change their skin from time to time. A number of snakes have venom that can kill their prey. Their venoms are also used to create antidote against snake bites. They are carnivorous. They eat fish, chicken, mouse, birds, bat, and other animals. So we're done reading. You can still read or reread the selection for you to understand. Now let's have the first question. What type of animals are snakes? Yes, they are reptiles and cold-blooded. Second question. What are the characteristics of snakes? So they are limbless and they have elongated body and tail. Now let's move to the third question. How will you describe their venom? Yes, so we can say it's dangerous because snakes use venom to kill their prey. What do snakes eat? So it tells in the selection that they eat mouse and other animals. Now the selection above is an example of an informational text. It presents factual details or information about specific topic. In this case, it discusses facts about snakes. So the one we read is informational text because it's based on factual information. It is not fiction because when we say fiction, it's something imaginary. But this one is not imaginary. Now let's start with the task 1. Read the selection below. Then identify what details are asked. Write the letters of your answers. Let's read. Quezon Province is the largest province in Calabarzon in terms of land area. The province is divided into 2 cities and 39 municipalities or towns. Lucena is its capital city. Calilayan was the first known name of the province. It was later renamed Tayabas in honor of the former governor of the province who later became the second president of the country, Manuel Luis Quezon. The province's name was then changed to Quezon. Now let's start with question number 1. What is the largest province in Calabarzon in terms of the land area? A. Quezon, B. Laguna, C. Rizal. Number 2. How many cities and towns are there in Quezon province? A. 4 cities and 39 towns. B. 3 cities and 39 towns. C. 2 cities and 39 towns. Question number 3. What is the capital city of Quezon province? A. Tayabas, B. Calilayan, C. Lucena. Number 4. Before using its current name, what was the name of the province? A. Tayabas, B. Quezon, C. Lucena. Number 5. Who was the inspiration in changing the name of the province from Tayabas to its present name? A. Josepe Rizal, B. Manuel Alcazar, C. Hermano Pulet. Details in informational text. Factual information or details are presented in informational text. This text provides specific details about particular persons, places, things, events, and topics. Details in informational text are basically determined by asking important questions, such as what, who, when, where, why, and how. These questions serve as guide in getting the factual details about a given selection or text. So do not forget the WH questions. What, who, when, where, why, and the letter H, how. They will help you to figure out if the one you are reading is an informational text. Learning Task 2. Read the selection below, then identify what details are asked. Write the letters of your answers. Let's read. A butterfly has wings with different colors and structures. Butterflies have wings which are covered with many tiny scales. They have 3 main body parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. They have taste receptors on their feet. They get nutrients by drinking from mud puddles. They see a range of ultraviolet colors invisible to the human eyes. Number 1. What covered the wings of butterflies? A. Tiny scales, B. Tiny skin, C. Tiny holes. Number 2. Where can the taste receptors of butterflies be found? A. Head, B. Body, C. Feet. Number 3. How do butterflies get nutrients? A. By seeing ultraviolet colors. B. By drinking from mud bottles. C. By covering themselves. And number 4. What do butterflies see that are invisible to the human eyes? A. Other butterflies. B. Their wings. C. Ultraviolet colors. For the last activity, complete the paragraph by selecting your answers from the choices below. We have the word who, factual, questions. Let's read. Informational text provide blank and specific details. or information about a particular topic. These details are determined by asking important blank, such as what, blank, when, where, why, and how. Now we're done. I hope you learned something today. Thank you very much. See you again next time. Bye.